Hello, today we're going to be talking about Salesforce's field service with Agentforce. Now, Salesforce introduced field service as a native solution that allows service operators to schedule and organize appointments and route qualified technicians to the appropriate job sites. However, this means for a customer to schedule a technician, it may be difficult because that may be a tedious phone call with manual input by the receiver or an asynchronous communication like with cases. With Agentforce, we've not only enabled a user to request an appointment on their own time, but we've also removed the friction involved with creating a work order and appointments. As an example, I'm Sam. I work in a hematology office in LA and am a proud owner of a Medinex centrifuge. However, it recently started sounding weird, so I went to the Medinex website before you to get someone out to fix it. I could click contact support, ask a question, or I can go to the chat. What pops up is an interaction with my agent, or within Agentforce. So hello, we happen to have a centrifuge that is malfunctioning. Can you schedule a technician to help? Agentforce responds with an empathetic yet concrete response. In addition, asks probing questions such as, when did I first notice it? And are there any error messages? So for me, it started around 8 a.m. this morning, and it is still running, but it's making a loud grinding noise. No error lights, though. Based on this information, the agent goes ahead and logs it, figures out what type of work needs to be done, and still needs my name and zip code. Like I said, I'm Sam, living in LA. It's going to try to find me as a contact. If I exist, great. And if it doesn't, then it's going to ask me for more information, such as my full address. In the event it does find me, it will add my address to the work order and generate that work order. This seems to be successful, as it is now requesting a time slot. So my work order has been created, and now I'm looking at a time. I'm going to say that the 20th at 1 p.m. is the most convenient for me. At this point, the agent is going to try to figure out, based on the service territory that's in and the time, who is going to be scheduled for that appointment, sets it on the appointment record, and lets me, the customer, know exactly what's up. So I have my appointment. I'm a satisfied customer. Let's go take this hat off and put on the hat of the operator. So the operator has their view here. It has a field service, and I can see the Gantt chart already there. You'll note that we have SA0297. This one just came in. It's for the 20th at 1 p.m. And as you can see, it's already marked as scheduled. On top of that, it looks like it landed in Lamar's court. So Lamar will be meeting me tomorrow at 1 p.m. to fix my centrifuge. So through all of this, I hope that you can see how convenient it was using Agentforce for me as a customer to be able to self-service, as well as making it easier on the operator to focus on the more emergency items that come through, or rescheduling in the event that a person in the territory is unable to reach their appointments. So more time for staff, better outcomes for customers, win-win. Thanks for watching.